Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us, and Euro dollar, the 5 hour closed at 1.1124. This is the last traded price here. And if you look at some news, then you can see dollar moves higher ahead of expected Fed rate hike next week. So yes, market is expecting rate hike, as a result of which we can see recovery on DXY. Then when is the rate hike, or the not rate hike, the Fed meeting coming up? It is coming up on Wednesday. You can see FOMC statement. So yes, there will be some volatility on Wednesday. Till then, there's a good chance that market will try to maintain, DXY will try to maintain the recovery stance here. You can see dollar index closed at 101.08. So right after the market opening, if dollar index tries to recover, then 101.50 will be the first resistance and 102 will be the second resistance. But till Wednesday, do not expect a big sell on DXY, because market will be trying to recover, simply expecting rate hikes. But yes, we do have some news also on Monday and Wednesday. Let's wait and watch. You can see on Monday we have manufacturing PMI. Tuesday we have nothing. Okay, then yes, there will be some volatility. Be careful. So that's all about DXY right now. Okay, after Wednesday, we will get a clear picture in which direction the DXY will be moving, because when the market was falling severely, we were expecting DXY to hit double digit. We got the double digit, but yes, there was some immediate recovery also. So let's wait and watch how DXY performs. And this is the chart of Euro dollar, Euro USD. If you look at the overall trend of Euro USD, then there is no doubt, denial, that overall the market is in uptrend. But as we can see that the market sentiment is little bit changing right now because of the upcoming FOMC. So yes, you need to be careful, and it is better to trade from level to level only. If you're a swing trader, then I'll just suggest you that you wait till Wednesday, okay, right after the FOMC statement. Once you get a clear direction, okay, you can plan your trades accordingly. But I don't think so that this is a proper market for swing traders right now ahead of news. So let's discuss the opportunities for Monday one by one. And my dear friends, this is Chart Prime, and we can see that the Market Oracle Pro has generated few signals in comparison to the previous week because of the market condition. But you can see that the overall signals have done a more or less good job, because we are on 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, more or less you are getting 15 to 30 pips on the signals. But yes, with proper risk management, you can definitely expect to make some good money. Apart from the Market Oracle Pro, the Prime Oscillator Pro, the oscillator at the bottom, also generates buy and sell signals. And you can see the buy and sell signal generated by the Prime Oscillator Pro have also done a pretty decent job. My dear friends, Chart Prime is a custom indicator rocking the trading world right now. It doesn't matter whether you're looking for simply buy and sell signals on the chart, or you're simply trying to elevate your grain, elevate your analysis. Chart Prime can be very useful, because the tool not only generates buy and sell signals for you, but also helps you with your analysis. You can see the lines on the middle of the chart are the dynamic support resistances. The green line is the trend assistant that tells you about the trend of the market. The Prime Oscillator Pro, okay, it not only tells you about the overbought and oversold levels, but also tells you about the divergences, so that you can trade on the basis of momentum. And along with that, the green arrow at the bottom tells you about the buy opportunity. The red arrow at the top tells you about the sell opportunity on the basis of the oscillator. Okay, this is just the starting. If you prefer to trade on smart money concept, then yes, you can use Market Dynamics Pro, where you have the smart money trading setup. Along with that, they also have chart pattern detection as well. So my dear friends, they have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. So right now Chart Prime is giving a 30% off. So If you are really serious about your trading, you can definitely consider checking out Chart Prime. You can scan the QR code on the screen. You can also check out the I button. Click on the I button on the screen or the link in the description, but check them out. First of all, there is no denial that the market is in uptrend. And if the dollar index continues the recovery, then obviously there will be some selling pressure on Euro USD. And if Euro USD breaks 1.1105, then the selling pressure may continue, and you can see that we do not have any immediate resistance. Also, if we take the help of Fibonacci here, then you can see right now market is just standing at the Fibo 38.2% retracement level, and below this level we do not have any immediate support. So there's a good chance that if market breaks 1.1105, 1.1100, then there is a further downside possible of at least 40 to 50 pips, because the next Fibo retracement is around 1.1050 only. See, the next Fibo 50% retracement is 1.1062. Okay, so at least you can expect a selling opportunity of 40 pips if market breaks the black line here, the 1.1105. On the other hand, if market tries to recover, the fiber tries to recover right after the market opening, we have few selling opportunities also. I'll say quick selling opportunities. You can see around 1.1148 to 1.1150 we have the Fibo 23.6% retracement level. It's a minor level, but still in this market where the volatility of the market is very low, you can expect market to face some resistance and you can take a sell position. 1.1148 to 1.1150 is the first resistance if market tries to recover. Keep in mind, this is a quick selling opportunity. Do not expect much. 20-25 pips is quite good enough in this market where the volatility of the market is very, very low. In case market breaks the level, because obviously confirmation is important. For example, if you see a green candle, market standing at 1.1150 with a green candle, obviously the resistance is not going to work. Common sense and trading goes side by side, do not forget. Okay, so if you see market is struggling, if you see price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. So if market breaks 1.1150 level, then the second level where you can expect the sellers to be present is around 1.1174. This is the second level, around 1.1174. It can be 76, 77, or it can be 70 as well. Why? Because you can see we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level, and if you remember correctly, then 1.1174 was also a support. So the previous support will be working as a resistance, and as I said, we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level as well. So in comparison to this is a far better level. Okay, but yes, 1150 will come first. So volatility will decide whether 1150 will work as a resistance or not. But in this present situation where we do not have much volatility, every level should work right now. But yes, we cannot be too sure with the market, so follow proper risk management. So in short, as the market is expecting a rate hike, so dollar index is trying to recover, as a result of which we should be expecting further recovery on dollar index DXY. Yes, but during the news, market may be crazy, that I don't know. Okay, but yes, market is trying to be bullish, and if dollar index is bullish, there will be pressure on Euro USD. If Euro USD breaks 1.1105 level, further downside possible, and you can go for a sell below this level here. On the other hand, if market tries to recover right after the market opening, you can look for selling opportunity, because right after the market opening we don't get to see much volatility. Usually on Monday, market prefers to stay silent during the first half. As a result, we have day traders can look for selling opportunity around two levels. 1.1150 first level, weak level, that should work under low volatile situation. 20-25 pips, good enough. On the other hand, if market breaks the level, then your second selling opportunity will be around 1.117475 level. because of previous support working as resistance, as well as we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. If you see market struggling around the area, price rejection from above, hit the sell button with proper risk management. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of EURUSD. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun with your friends and family. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye.